Hey there. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick a few cards and see. When the negative blocks and I can'ts are removed, whole new areas of life open up to us. Success stems from doing what we like to do best, but most people are tied down to what they imagine they have to do. As limitations are relinquished, whole new avenues of creativity and expression become available. And let's see what card we get about our inner child today. Number 19. It's never truly the end. Beloved, in this, everything will be okay. All right, which item has our quotes today? Life is a series of valleys and peaks. Everything in the physical world has its season. If you're in a valley, you have to keep moving towards a peak. Ups and downs, beginnings and ends. There's always duality in the physical world. I believe in myself and my abilities. I am confident in my decision making. I am resilient and can overcome any obstacle. When you take a look back on your life and see all the things that transpired, what's causing your life to go in the direction it is? Start paying attention to what's happening in your present moment. I deserve all that is good. I radiate self-confidence. Ask yourself, what is my heart hoping for? What do I need to remember? Where do I find my center and peace? What should I focus on to move forward? When setting out on a journey, do not seek advice from those who have never left home. Rumi. At its core, addiction is avoidance, a desire to avoid pain and feelings of unworthiness. Some people don't follow their calling, desires, or dreams because their mind has told them it's dangerous and they fully believe whatever their mind says. I embrace change with open arms. I am open to receiving abundance from unexpected and expected sources. I spread love and light wherever I go. I am grateful for who I am. I accept and love who I am. I value myself and I matter, and so do you all. I acknowledge and accept my imperfections. I let go of the need to be perfect. All right, let's pick one more card to end off the reading. Let's see what we get. A toast to no worries. Hakuna Matata. All right, on that note, have a good day. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.